In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate PayPal fees. Understanding PayPal fees is incredibly important, especially if you regularly send or receive money through the platform for business or personal transactions. Knowing these fees in advance helps you budget effectively and ensures you always quote or receive the correct amount. While PayPal does provide its own fee breakdown, using a dedicated calculator can often be quicker and more straightforward for a quick estimate. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google search engine. We're starting here because it's the most universal and accessible way to find the specific online tool we'll be using for this calculation, making it easy for anyone to follow along. Once you're on the Google homepage, the next step is to locate a reliable PayPal fee calculator. For this demonstration, we'll use the user-friendly option provided by Designhill. In the Google search bar, carefully type in Designhill PayPal fee calculator. After you hit enter, you'll see a list of search results. Look for the official Designhill website link, typically near the top of the page, and click on it. This platform offers valuable tools, and their fee calculator is a particularly handy resource. Now that you've successfully navigated to the Designhill PayPal fee calculator page, you'll find a clear input field where you can enter the amount of money you wish to calculate fees for. This is the gross amount of your transaction, whether you're expecting to receive or planning to send funds. Carefully type in the exact dollar amount into this field. Double-check your entry for accuracy, as even a small error could affect your fee calculation. Precision here is key to getting a reliable estimate of the fees involved. Finally, with your amount entered, the last step is simple. Just click on the prominently displayed Calculate Fees button. The calculator will instantly process your input, and within moments, it will show you a detailed breakdown. This breakdown includes the exact PayPal fee that will be deducted from your transaction, and importantly, the net amount you will actually receive after those fees are applied. This immediate result helps you understand the real value of your transaction, allowing for better financial planning and transparency.